What's up, guys? Today we're making an airsoft gun Gen 2. Look, guys, we're unboxing the Gen 2 airsoft gun. Gen 2 airsoft gun. Let's see. Let's just get on the box. Alright. Ooh la la, this baby's clean. Guys, tell me if you like this. Let's take it out. Hold on. Just watch. Wait. Just wait a second. This is it of airsoft. Let me just put this on. Let me just move the box. Let me just put this on. And let's just get it on. This is it. This is the final results. Yeah. Watch, look, even this back extended. And guys, see you on my next videos. Watch, post, like, and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Peace. Peace. See ya.